This is problem 11.11 from Chapter 11, Brigham and Houston Fundamentals of Financial Management, Concise 9th edition, and this is another mutually exclusive project problem. We got project S costs $17,000 and cash flows of $5,000 a year for 5 years. Project L, $30,000 initial outlay and inflows are $87.50 a year for 5 years. Both projects have a weighted average cost of capital, which one of 12%, which one would you recommend? Okay, so WACC for both projects, both S and L, for short and long, I guess. Both have the same weighted average cost of capital, times 0, the initial outlay for project S is negative $17,000, and for project L it's $30,000, and then the cash flows in year 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 will be $5,000 a year for project S and $87.50 for project L. Alright, so the present value of the future cash flows in periods 1 through 5 is about $18,000 for project S and about $31,000 for project L. The initial outlay $17,000 for project S and $30,000 for L, which gives me a net present value $1,024 and $1,542. Alright, I don't have to calculate an IRR because the NPV rule is the one I would always use for mutually exclusive. But typically we also do calculate IRR because it gives you at least some additional information. The IRR, and it doesn't take any effort at all to solve for it either, frankly, so that's another good reason to do it. Notice that you're making a slightly higher rate of return on project S. So project S is earning a slightly higher rate, but you're earning 14.4% on only $17,000. Here you're earning 14.1% on $30,000. So by investing a little bit more money at a higher rate of return, you end up with more money. So that's why we like the NPV rule.